1001 Solve Problems in Engineering Mathematics, Day 4, number 146 to 150. So this is all about age problems. Okay, so let's start with number 146. Paula is now 18 years old and his colleague Monique is 14 years old. How many years ago was Paula twice as old as Monica? Okay, so gawa lang tayo ng table. Ang sabi dito, how many years ago? So ilalagay natin dito ang past tsaka present. So dahil meron tayo diyang how many years ago, yung ago. Okay? So gawa na natin ang table. Okay, so table natin. Lagay lang natin yung pangalan nila. So yung pangalan ay Paula and then we have Monica. So ang kailangan natin ay yung past and then yung present. Okay, so base dito sa ating problem, so analyze natin mabuti. Paula is now 18 years old. So yan sabi, is now. Ayan yung keyword natin, now. 18 years old daw si Paula. So therefore, lagay natin sa present ni Paula is 18 years old. Okay, and then and his colleague Monica is 14 years old. So given yung present age ni Paula at ni Monica, so si Monica is 14 years old. So ang sabi, how many years ago, ayan, so yung past ang hinahanap natin, how many years ago was Paula is twice as old as Monica. So twice as old as Monica daw. So yung past, hindi natin alam kung ilan yon. So yun yung ililet natin na x. So mag-subtract tayo ng x dito sa present ages ni Paula and Monica. So we have 18 minus x and then we have 14 minus x. And then buuin natin ang ating equation. So sabi dito, how many years ago was Paula? So si Paula daw ay twice as old as Monica. So si Paula daw, so age ni Paula, so that is 18 minus x. So yan, how many years ago was Paula? So yung was, ibig sabihin yung was, yan yung equal sign. So age daw ni Paula, twice as old as Monica. So twice as old as Monica, so ibig sabihin 2, and then i-multiply natin ang age ni Monica, which is age ni Monica sa past na 14 minus x. Okay? So yan na ang ating magiging equation, just solve for x. So solve for x, so just copy 18 minus x and then distribute 2. 2 times 14, that is equal to 28, and then 2 times negative x is negative 2x. Solve for x, so dalhin sa kabila to. So add 2x to both sides para ma-cancel out na ito. And then pagsabay na natin at the same time, yung 18 dalhin sa kabila, so subtract 18 to both sides. Okay, so therefore we have negative 1x plus 2x, so that is equal to x equals 28 minus 18, that is equal to 10. So therefore, the correct answer is letter D, 10. Okay, so next number 147. A father tells his son, I was your age now when you were born. If the father is now 38 years old, how old was his son 2 years ago? So ilalagay natin sa table natin ang present tsaka yung ago. So ilalagay natin ng past. Okay? So lagay natin sa table ang father and son. Okay? So we have father and then we have son. Ilagay natin yung past and present. Okay, so past and present. So from the given problem, a father tells his son, I was your age now. Yun, yung now. Ibig sabihin nun, present. I was your age now when you were born. If the father is now, ayan, now, ibig sabihin present, now 38 years old. So ilagay natin dito sa present, si father ay 38 years old at present. So how old was his son 2 years ago? So paano natin lalagyan ng mga variables, itong mga blank natin dito. So yung past tsaka dito sa present. So analyze ulit natin mabuti. So a father tells his son, I was your age now. So yung age now ni son, lalagyan natin ng x. Yun yung hinahanap natin. So I was your age now when you were born. So when you were born, yun yung past ni father. So ibig sabihin yung present ni son ay yung past ni father, parehas sila. Siyempre, nung pinanganak si son, siyempre ang age pa lang niya ay 0. Tapos si father ay X. And then sa present nila, 38 and X. So masasolve na natin ang value ng X, pero tandaan ang hinahanap natin, how old was his son 2 years ago? Okay? So 2 years ago. Pag nasolve na natin yung X, sasubtract pa tayo ng 2 dahil yung X, ito ay present age ni son. Okay, so buuin na natin ang equation. So ang equation, kapag meron tayong ganitong past and present, kapag sinubtract natin ang present tsaka sa past, equal dapat yon sa father tsaka sa son. So therefore, ang equation natin ay, subtract lang ito, 38 minus X equals, subtract din ito, X minus 0. So present minus past, equal dapat yun parehas. Okay? So X minus 0, then just solve for X. Solve for X, so we have add X to both sides. Okay, so we have 38 equals 2X, and then divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2, so therefore X is equal to 19. So ito yung X equals 19, ito yung present age. Present age yan, so baka may magkamali dito dahil nasa choices yung 19. Ang tinatanong ay 2 years ago. So 2 years ago, edi subtract lang tayo ng 2. So 19 minus 2, so therefore the answer will be 17. Dahil ang tinatanong, ulitin natin, 2 years ago ang hinahanap natin, ang 19, ito yung present. Okay? So present age yan, subtract lang ng 2 dahil 2 years ago ang hinahanap. So 17 ang correct answer. Okay, so next number, number 147 or 48. 6 years ago, yan, so may pass tayo sa table natin. Nilda was 5 times as old as Riza. In 5 years, so may ago na tayo, tapos meron pang in 5 years. So ito naman future. Nilda will be 3 times as old as Riza. What is the present age of Riza? Okay, so gawa natin ng table. Ang column natin dito ay magkakaroon tayo ng past, present, tsaka future. Kasi meron tayong 6 years ago, tapos meron namang in 5 years. Okay? So, gawa na natin ng table. So, ano yung pangalan dito? Nilda and Riza. Okay? So, lagay muna natin Nilda, and then we have Riza. So, lagay lang natin ang past, and then we have the present and future. Okay? So, past, present, and future ang ating nasa table. Okay? So, analyze mabuti. 6 years ago, Nilda was 5 times as old as Riza. In 5 years, Nilda will be 3 times as old as Riza. What is the present age of Riza? So lagyan muna natin ng present age si Riza dahil yun ang tinatanong, what is the present age of Riza? So lagay natin dito ay X. Si Riza ay X. So tapos, kahit wala na muna si Nilda, so hindi natin alam si Nilda, so kailangan kasi natin ay yung past tsaka yung sa future base sa problem. So sabi, 6 years ago. So kung ang present ni Riza, siya ay X, so therefore ang 6 years ago, so si Riza ay X minus 6. Okay? So si Riza ay X minus 6. So sabi, 6 years ago sa past, Nilda was 5 times as old as Riza. So si Nilda daw ay 5 times as old as Riza. So ang age ni Riza ay X minus 6. Si Nilda daw ay was 5 times as old. So multiply lang natin itong age ni Riza sa 5. So ang age ni Nilda ay 5 times X minus 6. Okay? So next sa future naman tayo. So in 5 years. So in 5 years ang age ni Riza, mag-add tayo ng 5. So future ay X plus 5. Okay? So si Nilda naman, so in 5 years, Nilda will be 3 times as old naman. 3 times as old as Riza. So yung age ni Riza, imumultiply naman natin sa 3. So 3 times age ni Riza ay X plus 5. Okay? So actually itong present ni Nilda, hindi natin kailangan eh. So dahil lang hinahanap lang natin present age ni Riza, yun na yung X. Okay, so okay na yung makakabuo na tayo ng equation dito dahil meron na tayong puro X dito. Meron tayong past tsaka future. Ito ang gagamitin natin. Future tsaka ang past, isasubtract lang natin. Okay? So tandaan, ang pag sinubtract natin yan, mag-equal dapat yung kanilang difference. Itong age ni Nilda and Riza, so subtract lang natin ang future tsaka yung past. Okay, so future ni Nilda is 3 times x plus 5. I-minus natin yung past ni Nilda. So we have 5 times x minus 6. Equal dapat yan dito rin sa difference ng future and past ni Riza. So we have x plus 5. Ito yun, future, x plus 5, and then subtract natin. So lagyan natin ng parenthesis para lang malinaw, x plus 5 minus x minus 6. Okay, and then just solve na lang natin to. So distribute lang natin si 3. So we have 3x. 3 times positive 15, positive 5, we have positive 15. Distribute negative 5 times x. So we have negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 6, we have positive 30. Equals, kopyahin lang to. We have x plus 5. And then minus sign. So change the sign of this. So we have negative x. And then negative 6 will become positive 6. And then combine like terms. So 3x minus 5x, that is equal to negative 2x. Positive 15 plus 30, that is positive 45. Equals x minus x. So this is 0. So cancel. 5 plus 6, we have 11. Okay, so solve for x. So subtract 45 to both sides. Subtract 45 to both sides. So we have negative 2x is equal to 45. 11 minus 45. So isubtract natin itong 45 ang mauuna. 5 minus 1, we have 4. 4 minus 1, we have 3. So the sign is negative. And then last step, divide both sides by negative 2. So therefore, the value of x is negative 34 over divided by negative 2. That is positive 17. Okay, so therefore, the correct answer is letter A, 17. Okay, so next number, number 149. At present, the sum of the parents' ages is twice the sum of the children's ages. So yun, yung present. So may present tayo sa ating table. 5 years ago, the sum of the parents' ages was 4 times the sum of the children's ages. So meron tayong ago, may past tayo, may present, and then 15 years hence, the sum of the parents' ages will be equal to the sum of the children's ages. How many children are there? Okay, so analyze natin mabuti. Gawa tayo ng table. So lagay lang natin dito yung parents tsaka children. Okay, so we have parents and then we have children. Ilang children ang hinahanap, tinatanong dito? So lagyan lang natin ito ng past, present, and then we have future. Future. Okay, so lagyan na natin ng mga label yan base sa problem natin. So ang sabi dito at present. So dito muna tayo sa present. The sum of the parents ages. Okay? So the sum of the parents ages is twice the sum of the children's ages. So ilagay natin yung sum ng children's ages, lagay natin x. Tapos yung parents, the sum of the parents ages is twice daw. So therefore ang sum ng children ay x, so ang sum ng parents ay gagawin nating 2x. Okay, so dahil twice. Okay, so next we have 5 years ago. So dito tayo sa 5 years ago. So dalawa kasi yung parent, di ba? So mother and father yan. So itong 2x, magsasubtract tayo ng yung 2x, ito yung sum ng parents. So ibig sabihin, 5 years ago, magsasubtract tayo ng dalawang 5. Kasi 5 years ago, subtract tayo ng 5 sa sum sa age ni mother, subtract din tayo ng 5 sa age ni father. So therefore, ang total nun ay 10. So 2x minus 10 ang sum ng age ng parents. So 2x minus 10. Dalawang 5 kasi. Okay? So sa children naman, hindi natin alam kung ilan ang children. Okay? So dahil hindi natin alam kung ilan ang children, ilalagay natin dito x minus 5. Pero hindi natin alam kung ilan yung children, kaya mag-a-assign tayo ng isa pang variable, x minus 5n. Okay? So hindi natin alam kasi kung ilan yung children. Naka-multiply dapat sa 5 yon. Kung ilan yung children, i-multiply natin sa 5 dahil 5 years ago. Okay? Next, we have sa future naman. Sa future, 15 years hence. Ayan, 15 years hence. So ito yung sa future. So the sum of the parents' ages will be equal to the sum of the children's ages. So doon natin bubuuin yung equation natin, pero sa future natin sabi 15 years hence. So mag-add tayo ng 15 kay mother and father. So from 2x magiging siyang 2x plus dalawang 15. Dalawang 15, so that will be 30. Okay? And then for the sum of the age of children, so we have x. So ang present age nila ay x plus hindi natin alam kung ilan yung children, so i-multiply natin sa 15. Add kasi tayo ng 15 sa bawat isa, bawat isang age ng children. Okay? So x plus 15 may n pa dito. Okay? So therefore, bubuuin na natin ng equation. Magkakaroon tayo ng system of equations dito kasi dalawa yung unknown natin. Meron tayong x tsaka n. X at n yung ating hinahanap. Okay, so sabi sa problem, dito muna tayo sa 5 years ago. Yan, so 5 years ago, the sum of the parents' ages. So dito muna tayo sa past. So 5 years ago, the sum of the parents' ages. So isa-isayin natin. The sum of the parents' ages. So parents' ages, so that is 2x minus 10. Okay? The sum of the parents' ages was, ibig sabihin nun ay equal sign, 4 times. Ayan, so 4 times. So 4 times the sum of the children's ages. Sum of the children's ages, so that is x minus 5n. Okay? So this is our equation number 1. Isi-simplify pa natin ito. So i-simplify na muna natin ito. Wag na muna natin lagyan equation 1. So simplify natin. So distribute lang natin ito. So we have 2x minus 10 equals 4 times x. We have 4x minus 4 times negative 5n. So we have negative 20n. So let's simplify. Pagsamahin natin yung x dito. So subtract tayo ng 2x to both sides. Subtract 2x to both sides. So we have negative 10 equals 4x minus 2x. We have 2x minus 20n. And then, pwede natin i-divide both sides by 2 dahil we have negative 10, 2x, and 20n. So, divide natin lahat by 2 para ma-simplify siya. So, therefore, magiging siyang negative 5. Negative 10 divided by 2, negative 5 equals 2x divided by 2, we have x minus 20 divided by 2, that is equal to 10n. So, isolve lang natin yung x, yung negative 10n, ilipat natin sa kabila. So, therefore, x is equal to negative 5. So, itong negative 10n, ilipat sa kabila. So, that will become positive 10n. So, at the same time, pinagpalit ka ng pwesto. So, we have x is equal to 10n minus 5. So, ito na yung equation 1 na simplified. Okay? So, next, dito naman tayo sa equation number 2 sa 15 years hence. So, 15 years hence, so dito tayo sa future. So, sabi, the sum of the parents' ages. The sum of the parents' ages, so that is 2x plus 30. 2x plus 30, the sum of the parents' ages will be, ayan, will be equal. Ayan, will be equal. So, that is equals to the sum of the parents' ages will be equal to the sum of the children's ages. So, equal lang pala. So, 2x plus 30 equals dito sa isa, x plus 15n. So, i-simplify lang din natin ito. So, we can solve for x. So, subtract x to both sides. Dalhin natin dito sa left para positive siya. 2x minus x. So, we have x plus 30 equals 15n. And then, lipat lang natin yung 30 sa kabila. So, we have x is equal to 15n minus 30. So, this is equation number 2. Okay, so ang tinatanong dito, how many children? How many children are there? So, yung children ang tinatanong. So, ano ba yung number of children? Ito yon, x minus 5n, di ba? So, yung n ang kailangan nating isolve. Okay? Since ang dalawang equation natin ay parehas x, ayan, so parehas x. X equals 10n minus 5. Itong kabila, x equals 15n minus 30. So, we can equate yung parehas na value ng x. Okay? So, 10n minus 5, equate natin dito sa 15n minus 30 since parehas silang equal sa x. So, therefore, ang working equation na natin ay 10n minus 5, ito na yon, equals dito sa kabila 15n minus 30. Then just solve for n. Pagsamahin natin yung n, dito natin sa positive dalhin. So subtract 10n to both sides. So therefore, we have negative 5 is equal to 15n minus 10. That is equal to 5n minus 30. Add 30 to both sides. So therefore, we have 30 minus 5, that is equal to 25 equals 5n. And then last step, divide both sides by 5. Therefore, the value of n is 25 divided by 5 is 5. So therefore, merong 5 children. Okay? So last number for this video, number 150. Okay, so Debbie is now twice as old as Jerry. 4 years ago, Debbie was 3 times as old as Jerry then. How old is Debbie? Okay, so analyze natin. Gawa tayo ng table. Table for Debbie and Jerry. Okay, Debbie. So kulang pa yung letter yun dito, no? So Debbie and then we have Jerry. So ang kailangan natin ay past at present dahil may years ago dyan. Past and present. Okay, so lagyan na natin ng label yan. Mga past and present. Debbie is now. Ayun, so Debbie is now twice as old as Jerry. So mas matanda si Debbie. Twice as old as Jerry. So therefore si Jerry lagyan natin ng X. Tapos si Debbie ay twice as old as Jerry. So therefore si Debbie ay 2X. So 4 years ago, so ibig sabihin mag-subtract tayo ng 4 sa present ages ni Debbie and Jerry. So therefore ang expressions natin para sa 4 years ago ay 2x minus 4 and then x minus 4. So buuin na natin ang ating equation. Dito tayo kukuha ng expression sa 4 years ago. So dito tayo kukuha sa past. So 4 years ago, Debbie. So age ni Debbie, that is 2x minus 4. Was, that is equal sign, 3 times. Ayan, 3 times. So multiply natin sa 3. 3 times as old, ayan, as old as Jerry. So 3 times as old as Jerry, si Jerry ay x minus 4. So we have 3 times x minus 4. How old is Debbie? Tandaan, si Debbie ang tinatanong natin. How old is Debbie? Si Debbie ay 2x. Ito yung hinahanap natin, 2x. So pag nasolve na natin ang x, i-times 2 pa natin para makuha natin yung age ni Debbie. Dahil ang variable natin para kay Debbie or ang expression para kay Debbie ay 2x. Si x, si Jerry pa lang yon. Okay, so solve for x muna tayo. Solve muna natin si Jerry. So distribute lang natin to. Just copy 2x minus 4. So we have 3 times x, we have 3x. 3 times negative 4, we have negative 12. Pagsamahin natin yung may x, so subtract 2x to both sides. Therefore, we have negative 4 is equal to 3x minus 2x. So that will be x minus 12 and then add 12 to both sides. So therefore, ayan na yung value ng x. Ang value ng x 12 minus 4 ay 8. So tandaan, ang 8 ay si Jerry. Anyway, wala naman sa choices pala si 8. Yun, medyo safe. So ang age ni Jerry ay 8. So therefore, si Debbie, i-times lang natin sa 2. So si Jerry ay 8, si Debbie ay 2 times 8 and that will be 16. The correct answer is letter B, 16. Okay, so that's all. So thank you for watching. And kung medyo nalilito pa rin kayo sa age problem, ay punta lang po kayo sa aking channel na marami po akong mga uploaded na mga napakaraming age problem. Okay, so good luck po sa lahat na nagre-review. Bye-bye and God bless.